We have Dr. Virender Sir, OSD to President PGI NER Chandigarh. Thank you, sir, for having us here. And can you tell us more about this workshop?
I'm not associated with the organization of the workshop. So today it was the dissemination of the project PRANAA. So I'm happy to know about the outcoming and learning from the project PRANAA. And I strongly advocate the promotion of the awareness among the rural masses regarding NCDs so that we may prevent a catastrophe in waiting in the NCDs. And under the dynamic leadership of Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji and our worthy Health Minister Shri JP Nadda ji, so Government of India has done a wonderful job in creating a huge network of the Arogya Mandirs, health and wellness centers, and now India is prepared to take on the menace of NCD as it was never before, and it is the duty of all of us to join the hands to make it more efficient, more effective, so that the dream of the Samriddh Bharat may be realized in the coming years. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.